explaining from exercise 8.14. We need to use gross profit method to calculate the ending inventory. Here's the given data. We have beginning inventory, purchase, write-in, sales, sales return, and purchase discount. So for ending inventory equals to goods available for sale minus COGS. We can first start with goods available for sale, because for COGS we have to apply gross profit method, right? So let's start with goods available for sale. Goods available for sale. Okay, goods available for sale. We have beginning inventory in May 1st. Beginning inventory, which is 160,000. And we have purchase. And don't remember that we also have purchase discount. So here we can write as net purchase, which is purchase minus purchase discount. So it is 640,000 minus purchase discount 12,000. That is it. This is our net purchase. And we have added in write in, which is 30,000. So our goods available for sale would be sum of beginning inventory, net purchase, and freight in. This is our goods available for sale. And compute the estimated inventory, assuming that the gross profit is 25% of sales. So we also need one more data, which is sales. We have sales, but we also have sales returns. So let's compute it. We can simply write as net sales, which is 1 million sales minus 70,000, which is sales return. 70,000. This is our net sales. So gross profit is 25% of sales. Gross profit is 25% of sales. Let me write it here, 25% of sales. So it equals to 25% of our net sales, 930,000. So this is our gross profit. And ending inventory equals to goods available for sale minus our COGS. COGS equals to net sales minus gross profit, right? So COGS is this amount and goods available for sale is this amount. So our ending inventory will be 818 minus 697,500. This is our ending inventory, the final result for A. Let me write it here, ending inventory A, so we won't be confused. Now let's move to B, ending inventory for B. Okay. This part would be the same. Compute the estimated inventory, assuming that the gross profit is 25% of cost. 25% of cost. Okay, let me write it here. Gross profit is 25% of cost, which means every time we earn $1, we need to spend $4 of cost in order to make that profit, right? Gross profit is 25%. Okay, let me write it here. Every time when we earn $1, we have to spend $4 of cost. So if we have $1 of profit and $4 of cost, our sales would be at 1 and 4, right? So sales is 5. So gross profit is simply 20%, 1 over 5. 20% of gross profit is 20% of our sales here. Is that understandable? Okay, let me explain this way. Gross profit is 25% of cost, which is here. Every time when we earn $1, we need to spend $4 for that, 25%. This is comparing with cost. Let me just write it here. And for sale, we have $1 of profit, $4 of cost. So our sales would be 1 plus 4, which is 5. So the total is 5, and gross profit is 1. So it basically the 20% of sales, right? So our new gross profit would be equals to 20% multiply our net sales. This is our gross profit for instruction B. Okay, we have gross profit now. And again, for COGS is equals to net sales minus gross profit, which is 744,000. And now our ending inventory for instruction B will be goods available for sale minus our new COGS, which is 74,000. This is our final result for instruction B. That's it. Okay, let's move to problem 8.1. Let's look at the instructions first. At what amount should each of the 4 desks appear in the company's December 31st, 2025 inventory, assuming that the company has adopted a lower of FIFO cost or net realizable value approach for valuation of inventories on an individual item basis? So simply, we need to compare FIFO cost with net realizable value. Net realizable value, it's selling price minus estimated cost. And we can simply ignore 2025 selling price, because that year already passed. We need to, the main purpose is to make sure that our inventory is not overstated. So we have to compare it with new market price, which is 2026 catalog selling price. Let's go. We have 4 desks, A, B, C, D. Let me write it here. A, B, C, and D. And first, selling price. Selling price for A is 500, then 540, and then 900 and 1,200. This is selling price. And we have estimated cost. Estimated cost, which is some other cost we need to complete and sell. In order to calculate net realizable value, we have to deduct estimated cost from selling price. For A, it is 50, 110, 260, and 200. For net realizable value is selling price minus estimated cost. So this is our net realizable value. And we have to compare it with FIFO cost in order to find lower cost. So let me write FIFO cost here. FIFO cost, we have 470, 450. And we need to pick the lower one. This one is lower. This one is lower. This one is lower. And for D, FIFO is the lower. Yeah, that's it. This is individual value, and to sum up the total value of our inventories, we just sum the lower value up this one and add. That's it.